Welcome to the Andaz West Hollywood. I'm all checked into my room. I'm going to show you around the hotel, talk about the amenities, the room, the pros, the cons, the location, everything else. It's been over a decade since I've been to this hotel when I last lived in LA. So it was really fun to come back and see it, see what's changed, see what hasn't. So let's take a look. Look at the size of the room. That is huge for a city room, especially in LA. And I can see that view from here. We'll do that last. We'll tease it out. In here, you have a small wardrobe, but big enough. It's got hangers, it's got dressing gowns, a luggage rack, a ironing board, I couldn't think of the word then, and an iron. And then this is going to be your full-length mirror, which as a girly girl, I really appreciate. The bathroom, okay, is pretty small, but it is spotless. And the shower is removable, adjustable. I appreciate that. Toiletries, small toiletries. There is a lighted mirror there, so that's going to make getting ready and doing makeup easier. And then down here, you have your hairdryer. So everything you need. But the room, oh, look at the artwork. It's so cool. Oh, there's complimentary coffee downstairs, complimentary water on your floor. There was complimentary snacks I stocked up on. And there's lots of overhead lights in here, which I really appreciate. I often complain about that in hotels, and low lighting, so you can find your way in the night. Earplugs, because obviously Sunset Strip never sleeps. There's a little working area there, desk. And then Bluetooth speakers, large TV, which is awesome. But look at this cool seating area with the city view. There's a whole sofa there and another seat there so you can enjoy the Sunset Strip view. How cool is that? It's very hazy today. I'm sure this is going to look much better at night as well, but that's pretty epic. And then this is the other chair I was talking about right there. So just such a cool, really good size room. And yes, there is both a fridge and safe, and the fridge is empty and not weighted, so you can actually use it. And the safe is a really good size as well. Okay, let's check out the rest of this iconic hotel, which was actually the first hotel on the Sunset Strip. So it has a really cool reception area. They were so nice down there. Everyone was so helpful, and that's where you can get your free coffee as well. And then on the rooftop, you're going to find the pool and the bar, which serves drinks and light food options. It's a small pool, but it works, and the views out here, you have both city and Hollywood Hills. It's stunning. There's also cabanas if you wanted some more shade or a more private area, or just to ensure you have a seat, because otherwise it's first come, first served. Then on the mezzanine, you're going to find the business center and the fitness center, and loads of really cool artwork. Now this is where you go to cool down as well as to work out, because the AC in here is really good. It's such a good sized gym as well. It has lots of Peloton equipment, and you know I'm a Peloton girly. I love my Peloton bike. It also has the tread as well as lots of fixed path machines and free weights. Besides a really good range of free weights, they do also have benches, Swiss balls, and medicine balls. And then the other really cool feature of the Andaz West Hollywood gym is these views. You have floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook the Sunset Boulevard, so you never miss a thing. Dining-wise, RH is the Andaz West Hollywood on-site restaurant, which features seasonal California cuisine for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I didn't eat here as I was in LA for the current body dinner, but there's also a bar and gift shop, which has coffee and green juices, sodas, cookies, all the kind of snacky things, and also some alcohol. There is both on-site parking as well as valet, and these are the rates when I stayed. So some thoughts on staying at the Andaz in West Hollywood. The location is amazing, very, very central in West Hollywood. I think it was 0.9 miles to go down to Melrose Avenue last night. There's a cool bar opposite in the Sunset Tower Hotel as well if you want more of a kind of dark, romantic, retro vibe. That hotel was built in 1929. I did try to go to the bar downstairs, but there was no one there, and I just felt a bit awkward having a drink on my own with no one else around, so I walked across there. It was literally across the street, dead easy. The room, the AC works very, very well. It's not too loud. The bed was really nice and comfortable. There was a lot of pillows to choose from, so it was really comfortable, and it was pretty quiet. I was worried, having heard how much noise was coming from Sunset Strip yesterday. There's a lot of traffic, sirens, it's non-stop, and then all the flashing lights from the billboards. I'm like, oh no. But once I closed the blinds and shut the blackout curtains, it was actually really dark in here, and pretty quiet. Yes, you could hear traffic, but nothing like I could hear it in the day. I could actually sleep. And another thing I thought was really nice, when you get out of bed, there's light activated sensors, so underneath the bed, kind of along the skirting board of the woodwork there, the wood panels, so they turn on whenever you get out of bed without like total blinding light in the bathroom like some of the automatic lights are, and then they take about 2 to 3 minutes just to turn off automatically once you stop moving and get back into bed. Bathroom wise, the shower pressure was really good. It got really nice and hot. There is no bath, but you know that when you're booking, and the lighting was terrible for doing makeup. I came out here and kind of used a little handheld because the lighting out here, as you can see, tons of natural daylight coming in, and that's how I tend to like to do my makeup anyway. The rooftop pool has beautiful views, has sun lounges, cabanas. It's very small though, like a lot of the West Hollywood hotels' rooftop pools, but still a really cool vibe up there. I'll link the hotel in the description below to make it easy to book. If you have any questions, drop those in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked this video, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe for lots more hotel reviews.